Howdy guys, today we're going up the Sunbury line milepost 661. We're going to catch the CA-31 southbound local here. So anyway guys, we're going to bring the air horn with us. We're going to give them a horn show up at the milepost here. So we're going to go ahead and grab our handy dandy air horn, which I usually keep it right here in the shop. Yep, here we go. Here's a handy dandy air horn right here. So we're going to give you guys a little honk so you can hear what it sounds like. There you go, that's the sound of my horn. So anyway guys, we'll catch you up at 661. We're going to Dalton for this. Alright guys, so we're just coming on to Louis Lake Road now. We're going up to the Dalton siding here. We're going to try to get them up there since it's not uncommon. It's got a little bit left of my horn, so we might give them a quick honk. Just see if we can get something good at least. I gave you guys a honk when I left the house, so you guys know what my horn sounds like. Yeah guys, we're on our way to 661 right now. We're gonna catch them up there. They should be clear to 648 by now. I don't have the scanner on right now because we're making our way to get to the tracks. So anyway, I hope you guys are excited for this as much as I am. And we'll see you guys trackside. Alright guys, while we're out of here, we're going to pull one or two air horn pranks when we make our way up here. At this house right here. Got him. Alright, we got that place. Alright. Get this one right here. Oh, I had to do that. Alright guys, so we're coming upon the bridge here. And our signals are already on. All red's on the northbound signals. That means he's already clear 648. So yeah, we're in the 1914 tunnel right now. So yeah, as you can see, this is how they eliminated road crossings. They built these tunnels here in order to take care of this. So, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this or not. But right there's our southbound signals and they're red. So we know they're already on. So he's gonna be getting close. We'll try to get him on video for you. So yeah guys, we're on Equestrian Drive right now. So yeah, we're on Equestrian Drive. It's Friday night for me. I usually come up and snag these local trains since I missed the southbound earlier. So I thought we'd make up with the local. So yeah guys, we're going to give them a little horn honk here with my air horn. And we'll see if they honk back to us. It should be pretty interesting what we're going to be seeing up here. You know, I don't know what our power is. I was just told our CA-31 was clear 643. So, yeah guys, I'm looking forward to this as much as you guys are. So, yeah guys, we're almost to the tracks. So yeah guys, there's our, still got some Christmas colored lights yet. Alright. So our signals are just off to the left here. They're already on. So we're gonna make the climb up the little hill we got here. Oh guys, I hear them already. We have to book it. Alright guys, we shouldn't be waiting too long now. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Here we are at the tracks. At the Dalton siding. Here they are. I hear them loud and clear already. There's our high green right there. Wow. All right. Now we're going to wait for them. All right, so I figured we get this ambience on video here. That is a Porter Airlines Bombardier Dash 8 Q400 overhead of us right now. That is a Porter Dash 8 overhead of us, the Q400. So we don't have too much longer before our train gets here, I don't think. The CA-31 had a critical alarm down at 676. They had dragging equipment, which was kind of unfortunate. So anyway, guys, we're facing track view north right now. We are currently facing north. So yeah, guys, this is a longer video than usual since we're doing the actual waiting part as well, since we got that Porter overhead. But yeah, guys, this is what it's like being a Railfan. You know, I'll show you guys my route that I take to get here. Real quick before the train comes, I'm going to show you the finish we have on the rails right here. Yeah, rails are shiny, so it's from the southbound earlier. Here in the siding, our rails are pretty rusty. Oh, there's his ambience. He should be clear, La Plume. You should be clear La Plume already, guys. This is going to be exciting. Yeah, guys, excuse me having a spit. Okay. So yeah, guys, sorry this is a longer video than expected. Usually I don't film till right about when they get here. But I figured tonight we would do an actual Railfan video where, you know, we're leaving the house, making sure the air horn is ready. Oh, listen to those engines, guys. They sound good. Those are GE 7FDL V16s we're hearing. 16-cylinder 7FDL engines. Alright, so here's our air horn right there. So we're going to go ahead and grab it. That way, as soon as they come by, we can give them a little horn show. So yeah, there he is. We hear him already, so he's pretty close by. So yeah, guys, so I'm sorry for the long video here. They have to wait so long. But I figured tonight we'd do a behind the scenes of Railfanning here up on the Sunbury. So yeah, guys, we are on the siding here, which is not being used. Obviously, we got a high green over on the main line. Yeah, he should be rounding that bend any second now, guys. That'll be him. So we got the air horn. There he is, guys. There's our lights. Alright. Text somebody, let him know. Wow, guys, 15 minutes. There he is. There's our southbound. I went for the local. Currently doing the video now. Alright guys, here it goes. Gotta get the air horn ready. It's like this. We're gonna give him a honk, we're gonna give him a little set of honks here. And we'll see if he responds back to us. So guys, our horn show is shaving a haircut. That's what we're doing for these guys. Signal him here. Just signaling him to do a horn show for us. Got the air horn aims, and there he is. All right, guys. All right, I just signaled him. All right, guys, here we go. Shaving a haircut. Wow, 9601. Intermodal with start us off. CA-31 southbound. CA-31. General Bob. He's moving. Wow, he's moving. Get your speed on the radar gun. 35 miles an hour is his current speed. 35 miles per hour is his speed. Look at that, lots of General Bulk and some lumber. More lumber right here. There we go, we got some backing parts. There we go, he's already through. CA-31, clear 661. Train speed 35 miles per hour by radar gun. Wow, is he heavy? Holy cow. We got him. Wow. Holy cow, he was flying. That's insane. He really booked it tonight too. It's 9807 and 9601 was the power tonight, by the way. So we had 2 -9s, we had 1 online and 1 offline. Oh guys, that was fun. Alright, well I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for coming behind the scenes with me as we went on a Railfan adventure tonight to catch the southbound. I really appreciate you guys joining me tonight. So anyway, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more train behind-the-scenes Railfan videos like this. Here's one last look at the signal reading right there. We got all reds now. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. That train just flew right past us, as you guys just saw. That was incredible. We did not even have to wait 20 minutes for him. That's how quick he was moving. So yeah, guys, 2 -9s, that was pretty cool. The one I think was an old logo too, so that's even better. So yeah, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us once again on a nighttime Railfan adventure. And we'll see you in another Railfan video. Take care, everyone. Peace out.